Do nasal strips work for sleep apnea? If you're one of the many people struggling with sleep apnea, you might be wondering if nasal strips could be the solution you've been looking for. Let's break down the details to see if these strips can really make a difference. Nasal strips are small adhesive bands that you stick on your nose to help open up your nasal passages. They work by gently lifting the sides of your nose, making it easier to breathe through your nostrils instead of your mouth. This can be particularly helpful if you have nasal congestion, which can worsen sleep apnea symptoms. When your nose is blocked, it can make breathing harder, leading to more frequent pauses in breathing during sleep. Nasal strips can help clear your nose, reducing these breathing pauses and making it easier to sleep. For people with mild sleep apnea or those whose sleep apnea is partly caused by nasal congestion, nasal strips can be quite beneficial. They can reduce snoring and improve the quality of your sleep by ensuring better airflow through your nose. However, it's important to note that nasal strips are not a cure-all for sleep apnea. They are most effective for mild cases and may not work for everyone, especially those with severe sleep apnea. Studies have shown that while nasal strips can improve nose breathing, they do not significantly reduce the frequency of apnea events or the severity of sleep apnea in more severe cases. To use nasal strips effectively, you should apply them before bed and remove them in the morning. Avoid wearing them for more than 12 hours at a time, as this can reduce the adhesive's effectiveness and cause skin irritation on your nose. In summary, nasal strips can be a helpful tool for managing mild sleep apnea symptoms, especially if nasal congestion is a contributing factor. However, they should not be relied upon as the sole treatment for sleep apnea, especially for more severe cases. Always consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best treatment plan for your specific condition.